Hey there, small business owners. Thanks for joining us again. If you're hustling to grow your business, you already know. It's not just about putting in more hours. It's about making the right moves at the right time. So today, I'm breaking down the 5 key principles I swear by for real, sustainable business growth. First up, know your customers deeply. Seriously, don't just guess what they want. Ask, listen, and most importantly, adapt. The more you innovate around their true needs, the more loyalty you'll build. That's the kind of loyalty that sticks around even when times get tough. Number 2, focus on your core strength. I get how tempting it is to chase every shiny opportunity, but spreading yourself too thin is the fastest way to stall out. Double down on what you do best, build an unshakable foundation, and only then should you think about expanding. Third, optimize your operations early. Before you try to scale, make sure your production, delivery, and customer service are running like a well-oiled machine. Cut out the waste, boost your efficiency, and fix those messy processes now. Trust me, messy ops will trip you up every single time. Number 4, invest smart, not just big. Don't waste your cash chasing trends or the latest gadgets. Put your money where it really counts, whether that's better equipment, a smarter marketing strategy, or hiring the right people. Every dollar should move you closer to your goals. And finally, number 5, adaptability and speed. The market won't wait for you. Things can change overnight, and your ability to pivot fast is what keeps you ahead of the game. Don't get stuck in your ways. Be ready to switch it up anytime. So if you're serious about growth, remember, know your customers, stick to your strengths, optimize early, invest smart, and stay adaptable. Growth doesn't have to be guesswork. Just a few smart moves, repeated every day. Stick with these and you'll unlock your business's true potential. Subscribe for more no-nonsense strategies. Drop a comment below. Which of these 5 are you focusing on right now? Like and share if you're all about real, lasting growth. Powered by Strategies for Biz.